Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In a step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can download and install the Discord application on your PC or laptop really quickly. So with that in mind, drop a like and now let us get started. So what you want to do in the first step is head over to your web browser like Google Chrome, for instance, open it. And here in the search bar, simply type in Discord and select the first search entry you see below. That is going to redirect you to the homepage of Discord. So basically there are two different ways how you can access Discord. You either download it as an application on your Windows PC or you open it through your web browser. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to download Discord on my PC. So to do that, click on download for Windows here, wait for the installation launcher to be downloaded. You will see the progress here in the top right corner. And once that's done, simply open that installation file here, just like that, and wait for the installation to be launched. After a moment, you will see this window here checking for updates. So Discord will then download all the necessary files on your PC or laptop. So wait for that to be finished. And after that, it will be installed on your device so that you may log in with your Discord account. Or if you haven't done that yet, register for a completely new one by clicking on that register button here. And that's basically all to it, guys. As you can see, super simple. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video and we'll see you next time on our channel.